BitKeep Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The BitKeep Wallet app has quickly become one of the most talked about multi-chain crypto wallets. But is it really the all-in-one tool it claims to be? Let's break down the pros and cons to find out whether BitKeep is worth your trust. First, the pros. BitKeep stands out for supporting over 90 blockchains including Ethereum, BitKeep Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and more. This makes it one of the most versatile wallets out there, perfect for users who hold assets across different ecosystems. It also features a built-in decentralized exchange or DEX, allowing you to trade tokens without leaving the app. That means no switching tabs, no connecting third-party wallets, and fewer chances of making mistakes. BitKeep even offers cross-chain swaps, which automatically find the best conversion routes, a major convenience for active traders. Another major advantage is its NFT marketplace integration. Users can browse, buy, and manage NFTs directly inside the wallet. Combined with a clean, mobile-friendly interface, BitKeep makes DeFi and NFTs feel seamless and accessible. When it comes to security, BitKeep uses industry-standard encryption and stores private keys locally on your device, ensuring you're always in control. It's a non-custodial wallet, which means only you have access to your assets. However, there are cons to consider. BitKeep experienced a security breach in 2022, which shook user confidence for a time. Though the company responded quickly with compensation and security upgrades, it's a reminder that even popular wallets are not immune to risks. Another downside is that its wide range of features can feel overwhelming for beginners. If you're just starting out in crypto, navigating multiple chains and DeFi options might take some time to learn. In summary, BitKeep Wallet is a powerhouse for users who want to explore everything from DeFi to NFTs across multiple chains. It's fast, flexible, and evolving. But as with all crypto tools, staying alert and securing your keys is key. If you value freedom and versatility, BitKeep might be one of the best multi-chain wallets to try.